I feel like this is a really interesting and innovative approach to education in STEM subjects in a location that really wants that. So it's a really strong partnership between the City of Barrie and Lakehead University. Well, this is just an exciting new opportunity for students looking to study STEM subjects in Barrie. It's an expansion of our presence in Simcoe County. The students can study just the latest technology that industries are looking for in the area.
The new Barrie STEM Hub will be a space for collaboration between engineering and computer science, and it would enable students and professors to innovate in an environment that is dedicated to these two areas.
I think the Barrie STEM Hub is important for students because it allows for them to have a centralized space for all of STEM within Simcoe County. And for the community, I think it's a great marker for economic development within Barrie itself.
Barrie has not had a university, and they're very keen to have a university in the city. They understand how important it is, how much it can fuel innovation and the economy. And for students who live in Barrie, they can now study at home and quite likely get employment at home.
I think the thing that excites me the most about the Barrie STEM Hub is going to be the facilities and the lab experiments and the equipment. The students are going to get access to state-of-the-art equipment and benchtop facilities in mechatronics, software engineering, AI machine learning training, and computer stacks. So they're going to have a wealth of equipment.
The opportunities for hands-on learning and research will be abundant in this program. There's labs on the site. When they graduate, they will be ready for any number of careers in the region and really anywhere in Canada and beyond. It's a very special program.
The thing I like most about Barrie is it's a very northern feeling city, very fresh air, but it's still close enough to the GTA area where there's a lot going on everywhere.
It's a wonderful location, and I think the combination of that and the city that is growing and expanding with the presence of a university for the first time is going to be really dynamic.
In the Barrie STEM Hub, our programs will ensure excellence by combining rigorous academic standards with opportunities for students to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios. Many times, students will be able to go to an industry partner and do a co-op.
When students have an opportunity to work in a co-op situation with local industry, it really enhances their learning, and it also really enhances the extent to which they are career ready, job ready when they graduate.
Being a part of a co-op program at Lakehead University, I was able to secure employment, and through this experience, I've grown a lot as a person. I've learned a lot of industry skills and how to especially communicate efficiently with employers or other team members.
I think what's most appealing about the area in Barrie is the waterfront access. It allows the students to get a mental health break and go study by the water, get some sunshine, have some food from the core area. And there's a wealth of knowledge from the professors, from the lab staff, from the technical staff that the students won't get anywhere else all under one roof.
Barrie is a fast-growing city. There's lots going on there. It's very vibrant. Understanding how much universities bring to a city in terms of educational opportunities for students, obviously, but also universities have a huge impact on the economy. There's research partnerships, community partnerships. It's a very special thing, and it's a very special partnership with the City of Barrie, and we're very excited about that. It's going to be a very special place.